Maintaining a clean home can feel like a never-ending task, whether it's pet hair on the floor, dirt from shoes, or the everyday dust that settles in the corners. Staying on top of it all is exhausting. But what if there was a way to automate this daily chore? Enter this MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo, the smart solution that takes the hassle out of keeping your floors spotless. Designed for modern homes, this 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner is perfect for hard floors, pet owners, and anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. In this in-depth review, we'll cover the standout features that make this vacuum a must-have, discuss its benefits, and show why it's the perfect cleaning companion for you. One of the most appealing features of the MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is its dual functionality. It's not just a vacuum, it also mops your floors, leaving them spotless. The vacuum offers 1400 pH suction power, which is powerful enough to lift dirt, dust, and even pet hair off hard floors and low-pile carpets. The vacuum's 200-milliliter dustbin ensures you don't have to stop frequently to empty it during cleaning, allowing for a continuous and effective clean. What sets this vacuum apart is its removable mopping pad with a 230-milliliter water tank. After vacuuming, the mop takes over, cleaning up any fine dust that might be left behind. This dual-action approach ensures that your floors are not only dust-free, but also have that freshly mopped shine, without you lifting a finger. The MANVN Robot Vacuum isn't just about suction power, it's about versatility. It offers 4 different cleaning modes to tackle different types of dirt and spaces. Whether you need to deep clean a specific spot or sweep along the edges, this robot vacuum can do it all. Spot cleaning mode, ideal for tackling small, concentrated areas with a lot of dirt. Automatic cleaning mode, the vacuum moves around the house on its own, navigating obstacles while delivering a thorough clean. Edge cleaning mode, perfect for cleaning along walls, corners, and baseboards, ensuring no dust is left behind. Zigzag cleaning mode, for maximum coverage, this mode allows the vacuum to clean in a systematic back-and-forth pattern. What's a robot vacuum without smart features? The MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo takes convenience to the next level with Wi-Fi connectivity. You can control the vacuum using Google Assistant, Alexa, or the Tuya Smart App. Whether you're at home or on the go, setting up cleaning schedules, changing modes, and even starting the vacuum remotely is just a tap or voice command away. Imagine coming home from work to find that your floors have already been cleaned. With the app's ability to schedule cleanings, you can set the vacuum to run at specific times, making it the ultimate hands-off cleaning assistant. If voice control is more your style, simply say, "Alexa, start vacuuming," and watch the MANVN Robot Vacuum get to work. Worried about your robot vacuum bumping into walls, furniture, or even falling down the stairs? The MANVN Robot Vacuum comes equipped with infrared sensors and anti-drop technology, which enables it to detect its surroundings. It smoothly navigates around obstacles, avoiding collisions with furniture and walls. Thanks to its anti-fall sensors, it also knows when it's approaching stairs or ledges, preventing it from taking a tumble. Additionally, the slim design allows it to glide under furniture, such as sofas and beds, which can be difficult to reach with traditional vacuums. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly it gets under your kitchen cabinets and hard-to-reach areas. If you live in a large home, you'll appreciate the recharge and resume feature. The vacuum is powered by a 2500 mAh lithium battery, allowing it to run for up to 120 minutes on a single charge. Once the battery runs low, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock. But here's the best part. Once recharged, it picks up where it left off, ensuring no area is left uncleaned. This feature is a game changer, especially for bigger homes where cleaning can take longer. You don't have to worry about manually restarting the vacuum or wondering if it missed a spot. The MANVN Robot Vacuum handles everything on its own. If you have pets, you know the constant battle against fur. Whether it's shedding season or just the daily mess, pet hair can quickly accumulate, making your home feel untidy. Fortunately, the MANVN Robot Vacuum excels in dealing with pet hair. Its strong suction power, combined with its efficient filtration system, ensures that all pet hair, dander, and dust are captured. The vacuum's quiet operation, as low as 55 dB, means that your pets won't be disturbed while it's working. Unlike traditional vacuums, which can be noisy and scare pets, the MANVN Robot Vacuum quietly gets the job done, even if your pets are napping nearby. Final thoughts: a must-have for busy households. If you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and smart cleaning solution, the MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is an excellent investment. Its ability to vacuum and mop, combined with its advanced technology and smart features, makes it perfect for anyone who wants to keep their home clean without putting in the effort. Whether you have a busy lifestyle, pets, or simply want to automate your cleaning tasks, this robot vacuum delivers exceptional performance at a great value. Its slim, ultra-quiet design, along with voice and app control, puts cleaning power directly in your hands, literally. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.